everybody, Brandon with Preferred Real Estate Brokers. I'm out here today in Winter Garden, Florida, showing you Dreamfinders homes. The one we're going to be looking at today is the Anna Maria model. 4 bedrooms, 4 bathrooms as shown. Starts in the 480s. They're also going to be building this in Lake Nona, which is over on the east side of town near the airport, and then also over in Clermont, which is more northwest of where we're at in Winter Garden. Right now, Dreamfinders is going to be opening another location just right across the street from where we're at now in Wincy Groves, and there's only 6 lots available left. So just make sure you DM me, give me a call down below, and be happy to give you any of that information. And let's take a look inside. All right, so like I mentioned, this is the Anna Maria model with the bonus room, and this model is actually going to be being built in a couple different communities that Dreamfinders has across Central Florida. One of which being in Lake Nona in Summerdale. Great location down there. You're going to be close to the airport, Medical City. They're also going to be building it in Debary and Rivington, which is just north of Orlando, and then 2 locations over on the west side of town, in Clermont at Hartwood Landing, as well as Collina. And if you're not familiar with Collina, you should definitely check it out. I'll try to get out there over the next couple weeks and get some of the models that are out there, but it's an absolutely beautiful 1900s acre subdivision, golf course, a lot of great things out there. So if you're not familiar with it, just go ahead and Google Collina or check back on the channel. So as we're taking a look here, we saw the 2 bedrooms up front. Right now, that's the loft and bonus room upstairs with one of the bedrooms. And then just down that hallway, they have it currently set up as an office, but that is another bedroom. Right now, we're in the kitchen. Obviously, you see the great size island, and then you have this, you can use it as your formal dining room, little breakfast nook, however you want to set it up, and then the living room. So as you can see, it's really popular right now to have the living room and the kitchen combo all open into one another, gives it really nice flow for the house. Just to the back here, you're going to find the master bedroom, but just off of that, you have the laundry room. Good amount of cabinetry. It's good if you're coming from up north. Not a whole lot of basements in Florida, and the attics get super hot, so any storage that you can get inside the house is at a premium. So here's the master. As you could see, they did a nice little bump out there, give you a little space so it doesn't feel like you're living in a box, and they definitely maximize the natural light. And here is the bathroom. They did a nice job with that little drop-down countertop, just so it's not kind of the basic across the board counter. Got your stand-up shower and your walk-in closet. So it is his and hers, because there's a closet that we just saw, and then going across the room here, you're going to have the second closet. And if you like, I can get those boxes and those hangers thrown in. Everything's negotiable, so just let me know. But you have to call me today. So coming back out here, we're going to be going back towards the main living area. And like I mentioned earlier, it's that nice open feel with the main living space, huge island, really great cabinetry, the pantry right there through that see-through door. And as we go upstairs here, I'll speed you up. Okay, so here is your bonus/loft area. Doubles as a second living room, so if you have kids or even just family members in town that are visiting, you can use it as, a second living space. And then just off of that is a giant bedroom. You'll see that's a queen size bed and definitely ample amounts of space on one side or the other. So this is really great if you have teenagers or older family member living with you. And then they've also got the bathroom right off of that. So it's kind of their own little separate living situation. If you have questions about this model or any others in the area, whether it's out in Clermont or Lake Nona, any of the Dreamfinders communities, or any communities in general, give me a call, 407-325-0846, and I look forward to helping you soon.